Morning students, I am Rakesh Kumar Pandey, your SST teacher, welcomes you in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Nevada, Kuntinagar branch. Student, today I am going to discuss the last topic of your chapter, and the topic of today is communication. Student, according to the name of the chapter, human environment, settlement, transport and communication, I had discussed every point of the chapter according to your topics. Like when you read about environment, then we have to keep our environment safe. Settlement, there are two types of settlement, temporary settlement and permanent settlement. Settlement are developed in two ways, according to rural areas or according to urban areas. When you learn about transport, then you notice that the invention of wheel and steam engine changed the whole process of transportation in the world, and that bring unexpected speed in the field of transportation after the invention of wheel and steam engine. Student, today I am going to discuss the last topic, communication. So listen at first, what is communication? Student, communication is a process by which people exchange their ideas, views, thoughts, emotions among each other. Students, before earlier time, we don't use means of communication as like today. Earlier time, people use their foot to walk or share their messages with each other. Sometimes they use birds like pigeon to send their messages to other people, and sometimes they use smokes and drum beats to send their messages or pass their messages from one place to another place. Later on, when we spend our time on the earth, then we developed ourselves and different means of communication. Students, there are two types of communication, personal communication and mass communication. In order to understand personal communication, you just read, when you read the topic, and then you find that personal communication are the process in which two individuals are involved to share their messages and pass their emotion, ideas, thought among each other. And the media of personal communications are post office, telephone, teleprinter and telegraph, and mobile phone. And now you have a very great invention of media of communication are internet and email address. Student, through email you can send your message with a second, and with a second in any part of the world. You can talk to the person who is living in any part of the world with the help of your mobile phones. Earlier time we used telephone. Telephone is a wired device, and it is very difficult for us to carry that telephone for all places. But mobile is a handy device, and you can carry that anywhere. And mobile work without wires and with the help of satellites. So students, and second process is mass communication. Students, mass communication is a process by which we share or delivered message for a large group of people. It means that you can telecast any message, any warnings to the people of your country. For example, coronavirus. Did you think that without the help of mass communication, can we increase the awareness of the people towards coronavirus? No, because India is a very big country and the population of our country is also very big. So it is very difficult for a person to share their message for one by one. That's why with the help of media of mass communication like magazines, newspaper, radio, television, advertisement, cinema, these are the media of mass communication, and through this we share our messages for large group of people. Students, some means of communication change our life, but they work with the help of natural satellite. So like television and radio. Radio help the people to listen the messages, entertainment programs, news for about their countries and about the world. How because they speak something with the help of radio centers. And students, radio is very helpful for illiterate or literate persons both, because illiterate person also listen the newses, the entertainment programs with the help of radio. After the invention of television, whole thing is changed. Now you can see everything on the TV screen by your naked eye, that are more interesting as compared to radio. This stage of invention in the field of mass communication changed the daily life of the people in different modes. So students, I think I had told you every aspects of this topic, but this is a very easy topic. You learn this topic from your childhood. So please read the topic, try to understand, then listen my video. And if you still have any problem, then you can ask without any hesitation. Thank you.